Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how I like to do my eyebrows. Make sure that you clean your eyebrows with something that isn't oil based because this can affect the dyeing process. You're going to take 1 centimetre of the dye and put it into your dappen dish. Now I'm taking 4 drops of the developer. I'm just going to use a wooden stick to get the petroleum jelly out of the tub. Now I'm going to take some onto a cotton bud and place that all around my eyebrows. We do this so it prevents staining onto the skin. Now I'm going to apply the tint to my eyebrows. Depending on how strong you want the tint to be, you can leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. I wanted to show you what I do after I've tinted my eyebrows, so I'm moving on to waxing them. I like to use a small spatula as it helps with the small section. I also like to use the Miley Honey Wax. My eyebrow hairs are very long, so I like to comb them up and give them a little trim. Now I'm combing them through and making sure that I'm happy with them. Here I had one tiny hair sticking up, so I just plucked it out. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more of my face, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.